Hello and welcome to another update video about Gala. Yeah, Gala hasn't really moved much since yesterday. Actually, pretty boring price action at the moment. It was quite interesting last few days. Obviously, we had a bit of a small pump there, and the move from the Sunday low here, the 14th, or Saturday, the 13th of April, was quite interesting. Was quite, yeah, it was 50%, not too bad in terms of volatility. But the coin, especially Gala, like many other coins though, has actually reached a key resistance level now. So we've reached here the area just below the 100% extension level. Typically, to unlock more bullish potential, these coins need to break above their 100% extensions. So how do we calculate that? Well, as you can see on the chart, the yellow wave count allows for the possibility of one more low. That just means that from a structural point of view, the correction, while it could be complete, price structure allows definitely for one more low. In the C wave as an ending diagonal, A wave down, B wave rally, C wave down. That C wave could be a 5-wave move in an ending diagonal. The wave 4 is quite strong, but not too strong, okay? Not in a diagonal. I mean, it's reached basically, I haven't shown that as resistance here, but it's reached the area between the, your 50% retracement and 61.8 retracement. That's just from a retracement point of view, from a resistance point of view, what a wave 4 should normally do. In an impulse, we wouldn't normally want it to see, to break above 4.8 cents, the 50% retracement, but in a diagonal, we can allow for a little more. And then again, this 100% extension level, that's based on the internal structure of that corrective rally. It's clearly only a 3-wave rally, A wave, B wave, C wave. And as long as we don't see a 5-wave advance and only see 3 waves, it keeps the door open for lower. So this C wave is the target for that. Ideal targets are measured based on the length of waves A and then a depth of wave B, and then we get an ideal target for wave C. And typically we say it's like the 100% extension. So that's also where we had previous swing lows here, especially here and here. So there is some resistance, and important to recognize that such a C wave often fails at the 100% extension. So maybe there's a final push, then we get a rejection. At the moment, I don't see a strong rejection. It's more like consolidation below resistance, but most coins that I'm tracking have reached that critical level or are very close to it. That means if that 5th wave to the downside in the yellow count is unfolding, then it should ideally start from here. And downside levels to watch are 3.3 cents and 2.6 cents. And in between the 3-cent level, that's the 161.8 extension of the A wave to the downside, which started on the 10th of March. Again, another common target. It's just sort of this area then that I would be watching, okay, for a possible target to the downside. Yeah, and obviously the low could be in. As you know, we're always looking for 5-wave move to the upside to confirm that a low has formed. We need 5 waves. We only see 3, and it's corrective at the moment. That definitely still leaves the door open for lower. But if the price can form 5 waves that reach the 1.618 extension to the upside, which is shown there as the 6.5 cent level, well, that would be good confirmation that a low is in. Until then, keep the door open for lower. And that means we're now in resistance. I think the risk is high from here. The risk is quite high from here that we come down, especially the distance to the target is quite high now, given that we've moved away from it quite a lot. Haven't really made any higher lows yet or higher highs. And which level would open the trapdoor for lower? I think it would take actually a break below that B wave low to indicate really that wave 5 has started. There would be a break below 3.87 cents. That is the confirmation level where obviously this micro count in white will get formally invalidated. I mean, that's what we're watching at the moment. I mean, there is one support level before that we can track. It's a 78.6 retracement. It's just not so reliable. 4-cent level. If the 4-cent level breaks, the trapdoor starts to open to possibly 3 cents or 2.6 cents. That's my update about Gala. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.